Imagine uncovering the ocean's most haunting secrets in just moments. Prepare to delve into some spine-chilling truths about the deep sea. If Mount Everest were submerged in the Mariana Trench, its peak would still be over a mile beneath the ocean's surface. The ocean hides countless perilous underwater caves and sinkholes. Did you know that the megalodon, an enormous extinct shark, once prowled these waters with teeth exceeding 7 inches? In the depths, it's so profoundly dark that visibility is non-existent.